everyone, this is your girl Camille. I want to say welcome back to my channel. I do hope you guys are all doing great, and I do hope you guys are having fun and just being creative. Today I want to show you how I actually mix my tube paints. If you've seen my previous video where I've done just those regular Americana paints, they are more like they flow a little bit better from the bottle. So today I just want to show you how I actually mix a tube paint. So this is like a continuation from the video that I posted just prior to this one. So if you go ahead and check in my playlist, or if you go and just, I will list the video at the end of this one, so you guys can always check that out and just leave your comment and let me know what you think. I really want to show you actually how I mix this one and how I actually mix my paint on a whole. I really do not measure, guys. I don't. Just for tutorial reason, my previous video I show you how I mix it by just measuring it and everything. I usually just wing everything. I just have an idea. So just as you can see right now, I squeeze maybe around less than 1 ounce of paint, and I put approximately the same amount of pouring medium, or maybe just a bit more. And of course, the tube paints, they do take a bit more pouring medium from the Americana, the Deco Art paints that I've used in the previous video. So you're gonna see me add a bit of more water to get it to the consistency, guys. Okay, one of the main reasons for the pouring medium, why it's really recommended to use pouring medium versus the water, is because you really don't want to break the pigment in the paint. See the colors that you see there, you don't want to really break it when it's drying. So it's really recommended to use a pouring medium to bind that color, the pigments in the color, right? And when you see me use the water, I don't use too much water, and I choose paints that will use less water. Other artists will argue that, okay, Camille, so why not use a paint that is heavily pigmented? It's a bit trickier to mix those heavy body paints with water. I don't know if you've tried that. So for me, when I'm teaching or when I'm showing others who really want to learn mixing the paint and colors, and just learning a bit more about colors and how they really will make your painting, you know what I mean, guys? It's really important to just know how much water to use and all of that. And I wouldn't say that me delivering that to you is tricky. It's only because, guys, I really do not measure, and I had to do a lot of practice off camera to see, okay, how can I deliver this to you? Because really and truly, when I started my YouTube channel, I just wanted to show you how my style of work, right? But then I get so much questions. Oh my God, how did you mix your paint? How did you do this? So I think, okay, you know what? I have to, do a mixing video and show you. But once you guys understand paints, and when I say paint, I'm not talking about transparency and all of that, what's opaque. I'm really talking about the heavy body paints, soft body paints or stuff like that. Once you realize that you're going to use a less more pouring medium for certain paints, or you need to mix more pouring medium in the heavy body paints, and yes, they will take a bit more water to get it to that fluid state. That's just my experience, guys. Okay, I do hope you were following along, and I am using this colors that from the previous video. As you can see, this color here is a nice, beautiful fluorescent green by Liquitex Basic, and it's just amazing, guys. You have to watch this video all the way to the end. And as you see me pouring the paint in this cup, it's a 5-ounce cup, and I'm doing like a dirty cup. I'm just pouring all the paint in. I'm just dumping everything in. Right, there's just I didn't do like a cute layer, like layering it beautifully. I really wanted you guys to be amazed. I just wanted you to see how amazing the fluid art is, and actually why I actually fell in love, and I wanted to just deliver that to you. I have people that reach out to me all the way across the globe, and I'm just happy. People message me on Instagram, and I'm really happy that you guys are reaching out to me. Guys, don't worry, just DM me. If you can't get a hold of me on Facebook, I'm always on Instagram. Just send me a message there, and I will definitely answer your questions. I know that the paints that I use here in Canada is different from what you guys have in the Netherlands, or somewhere out in Europe, because I do have a lot of people that reach out to me from Europe, and I'm really grateful. Thank you so much, guys. But just try whatever you have. I would suggest that, just use those soft body paints, use your crafters paints, use whatever. It's really all about the paints and how they react. Right now, guys, you can see that I haven't even touched the canvas yet, okay? And you can actually see the cells coming through. If you don't have a torch, I know that time is what's gonna really play out for you if you don't have a torch, because the more you let it sit there, the more the cells will pop through. But the torch, with the heat coming from it, it will help to pop those air bubbles and push those cells up and make your piece really beautiful. But this, as it is just as amazing, and I do love it. And the fluid art, it really goes through a lot of stages. I go through all my comments, and I love the comments when people say, wow, you took me on a journey. I want to give a shout out to my friend Barbie. Barbie's always saying that to me. I love you, Barbie. She's always saying, Camille, you know what, your painting takes me on a journey. And I love it too. My daughter, she's, very artistic too. She has the same creative ability, and, she's about to turn a teenager. And she would say, Mommy, I love it just the way it is right now. That's just, with all that black around it, it looks so beautiful. So everybody do have their preferences. And I do go back and watch all my videos, before I actually post it. And I'm like, okay, you know what? I think I'm happy with it. I think my viewers will love it. So I will post this one. I have to love it first, guys. Honestly, I really have to love my work, and before I can share it. I'm just sharing a part of me with you. Maybe that's what makes me the kind of crazy teacher that I am, because I have to be the judge of my work before I post it out there, and then I get all these weird comments that say, okay, I get a thumbs down, okay, you didn't like it, okay, fine, but I love it. Okay, if you don't like it, that is okay, because I do love it, and I do appreciate the fact that I can able to share this with you and all of that. So I'm really grateful that you guys tune in. And of course, guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, hit all. And of course, share this video with your friends and family. This is how I get to reach more people on YouTube. And I'm so grateful for all of you, for all people who have subscribed and all the fun jazz. Really do appreciate it. Okay. Isn't this beautiful, guys? I love it. I love that neon green in here. Really brightens. Add some light to it, with that white that you're actually seeing, because I added some pastel colors from the previous video that I did, and that is just a beautiful pastel green, and then a pastel blue, and it's beautiful. Really do love this piece. What do you guys think? Of course, let me know what you think about this one in the comment section below. All right, I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of the video, and I will see you for the close-up of the wet result and the dried result. So don't you go away. Thank you. And here it is, the close-up of the wet result. Check it out, guys. Check out that blue, that ultramarine blue by Liquitex Basic. Oh my gosh, that bright blue that you're looking at. Oh, so beautiful. And of course, the green in there is just enough. And then that beautiful, beautiful neon pink by Artist Loft. I love it. It's just an amazing piece. And of course, all the pastel colors in here. You can see how all the white in the pastel colors are really showing up because of these bright colors. Beautiful blend. And then the black Artist Loft background is just amazing, guys. I love it. If you're going for bigger cells, guys, you know, there's just various techniques that you can use. You know, just try something different, explore. You know, take a bit of me, take a bit of Gina DeLuca, take some Molly Artistry. Make it your own, guys. I would really suggest that. Don't try to be like anyone else. Make your own style. Art is fun, okay? And I don't want you to get frustrated when you try something and it doesn't work. Make it fun. Appreciate the colors. Love the colors. That's the very first thing with this fluid art. Love the colors that you're working with and everything will amaze you. I promise you, guys. Just love the colors. That's what the fluid art is all about. The colors and how they represent each other on the canvas. Okay, here it is, dried. Oh my goodness, it dried amazing. It shifted on me a bit, but you know what, I still love it. It's just amazing. This is a 12 by 12 inch canvas and it doesn't take much paint, and you guys have to just practice and just get out there and have fun. Remember, guys, just have fun, okay? And I'm here to encourage any one of you who are having difficulties. Check me out on Instagram or on Facebook. DM me and I will definitely respond. Don't forget to leave a comment here and let me know how this one makes you feel. And of course, I will see you next time, guys. I do have short videos if you can check out. Do check out my playlist, and I will see you guys next time on Camila More Art. Bye.